Hello, and thank you for watching today's Northeast Regional Forecast. I'm meteorologist Andrew Pritchard with Nutrien Ag Solutions. Looking at the next 10 days, but focused on the next 5, we'll see some warmer temperatures across at least the southern portions of the Northeast region. That warmth likely extending north all the way to parts of New Hampshire and Maine. As we head into the next half, the days 6 through 10 period, heading into early October, beginning to watch for the chance for a first round of a winter-like chill sinking into parts of the Northeast region. Higher risks for frost across northern regions here, parts of Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont as we head into October 4th through the 6th. And we're going to talk about that here in just a moment. Looking at the next 10 days of precipitation, again, keeping things highest off to the north, rather dry, though, across southern portions of the Northeast region. Parts of Pennsylvania, New York State, Rhode Island, New Jersey, and south from there, looking a bit dry as we head through the next 10 days, with the more frequent precipitation chances going to be off to the north, and that has been the story for the last several days. Precipitation heaviest to the north, drier as we look off to the south. This is the last 24 hours of precipitation across the continental U.S. As we head through Friday morning here, we're watching for some showers and storms developing across parts of Missouri, parts of Iowa, moving across the Corn Belt through the later part of the day. This storm system will eventually make its way through the Northeast region during the middle part of the weekend, bringing scattered showers and storms to the Northeast region, but no real heavy, significant precipitation expected from this. A quiet morning, though, as we wake up across the Northeast region. A really beautiful early fall day across the Northeast region that is quiet in terms of cloud cover and precipitation, again, across the Northeast region. That is because an area of high pressure is sitting across the Northeast region right now, keeping things quiet. Southerly flow on the backside, though, pumping moisture in from the Gulf of Mexico. That's what's setting the stage for those showers and storms across the Midwest today. As we head through the next couple of days, though, that front does make its way through, again bringing an isolated chance for some showers and storms midway through the weekend, but high pressure by the time we get back to Sunday morning, keeping things pretty dry across the region. The next 3 days, your severe weather outlooks, quiet across the Northeast region on Friday. Here is Saturday, looking at a marginal risk for a strong storm or two across parts of New York and Pennsylvania, quieting down again as we head into Sunday with high pressure once again sitting across the region. We'll be watching the northern plains for a chance of severe storms Sunday afternoon and evening. Now, as we head through the weekend, here's a look at the precipitation forecast from the high-resolution NAM model, and there is that chance for a storm on Saturday. Again, heading through the day today, watching showers and storms across parts of the Midwest. We head on into Friday afternoon and evening, watching for those showers and storms to erupt across that region. Heading now into early Saturday morning, a couple storms possible across the west here in New York and Pennsylvania as we wake up on Saturday. Watching for perhaps those storms to flare back up during the afternoon and evening, again across the entire Northeast region, but very isolated in nature. So most folks going to remain dry on Saturday across the Northeast region. But some folks perhaps picking up on a downpour or two from some of these widely isolated and scattered showers and storms. Total accumulated precipitation, again, as you'd expect then across the Northeast region, rather hit or miss. A lot of miss, though, going on here. A lot of people staying dry as we head through the weekend with just scattered or isolated showers and storms expected. As we take this a little bit further, taking it through into early next week, we'll watch this quickly go through the weekend. Here's that Saturday chance for some showers and storms across the region. Quieting out as we head into Sunday with high pressure moving into the region. That keeps us dry as we head through Monday. By the time we get to Tuesday, perhaps some showers and storms possible once again across the north. This is as we start to watch storm systems kind of lift up and through this region here. So taking it into Tuesday and Wednesday, still got a chance for some showers and storms across the Northeast region. It's not until we get into Thursday that we see that chance for showers and storms once again sweep across parts of New York and Pennsylvania eastward towards the coast. So again, a chance for some showers and storms Saturday. Does look like we dry out then Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday across much of the Northeast region, with showers and storms returning late Tuesday from north to south all the way into Pennsylvania by the time we get to Thursday. We are watching for some snow accumulating across parts of Montana and the Canadian Prairie. Nothing accumulating here in the Northeast region, but we are moving toward that time of year where we're going to start looking at this map a lot more frequently. This is how we can take a look at the temperatures, the colder weather coming in here during the first part of October. Very warm as we close out September, but there we start to see that colder air begin to work in here early October, and that accompanies the chance of frost. This is our frost probability model, keeping things pretty warm, keeping frost out of the area. We're already into October 2nd here, so Wednesday of next week. It's as we head into the late part of next week, we start to see those frost probabilities begin to tick up across parts of the northeast region. Again, that risk going to be highest October 4th through the 6th across the northeast region. Total accumulated precipitation for the next 10 days, again, really focusing on this area here across parts of the upper Midwest. So we talk about the northeast region, wettest off to the north, going to be rather dry, though, as you head off to the south. Your high temperatures for the next 5 days in the 60s and 70s for the day on Friday, warming up slightly Saturday, cooler Sunday on the backside of that first storm system, highs in the 50s across much of the region, 60s to the 70s off to the south on Sunday. This is when we start to move some warmth back into the region, though, Monday and Tuesday. Warmest on Wednesday, with cooler temperatures moving in later in the week. As always, Eric Snodgrass will have an in-depth look at the evolution of the next 1 to 2 weeks in our Monday morning ag forecast video, and I'll be back to talk about the northeast region more in depth, talking about that cooler weather moving in late next week in our Tuesday morning northeast region forecast. Have a great day and a wonderful weekend.